Ospreys, welcome to a special weekly edition of Inside Super 90. I'm Amanda Delgado and welcome to Discovering History. This week we'll take a look back at events in history for the week of March 7th. Let's start this week's segment off on March 7th, 1876, when Alexander Graham Bell patents the telephone. The first message spoken on the phone was from Bell to his assistant, Thomas Watson. He said, "Mr. Watson, come here, I need you." Next, on March 8th, 1993, Beavis and Butthead premieres on MTV. The animated series offers audiences rude and crude humor. Despite mixed responses, the show got MTV's highest ratings up to that point. On March 9th, 1959, Barbie makes its debut on a display at the American Toy Fair in New York City. Barbie was the first ever mass-produced doll in the US that had adult features. Buffy the Vampire Slayer premieres on March 10th, 1997. The show is an adaptation of the film from 1992. The creator thought the film was too much of a silly comedy, so the show aims to depict high school in horror. Next, on March 11th, 2020, President Trump addresses the nation on COVID-19 and announces a travel ban as cases surge across the world. This was the same day the World Health Organization declared there is a pandemic going on. On March 12, 1894, Coca-Cola is sold in glass bottles for the first time. Before then, Coke was only available as a fountain drink. Now we can get a Coke and share a Coke whenever we want. And lastly, on March 13, 1781, Uranus is discovered by William Herschel. It is the seventh planet from the Sun, and it was the first discovery made by use of telescope. Before then, astronomers thought Uranus was a star. All right, Ospreys, that's it for this week in Discovering History. I'm Amanda Delgado, and I'll see you next time.